Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Tabitha Duenas, and today I have Hailey with me today. And what we are going to be doing is a full highlight. We are going to be filling in the root and her partial zone with baby slices. We're gonna slice everything, and we're gonna paint that all the way up to the root. Underneath, in her full highlight zone, we are going to be tipping out only. We are gonna leave the root there and leave it for her next session, because what we really want to focus on is getting all this sort of level 8 gold, get this up to a level 9, 10 beige, like on the icier beige side. In my opinion, I just feel like it's a lot to get done when you're trying to touch up the root and tip everything out. It's just a lot. I find that the hair can get over processed, and with anyone's hair, you want to avoid that. When it all comes together, she's going to be really bright and on the icier beigey tone. We are going to do a really wide mohawk section, trying to find a guide as to where this top partial section would begin. And it's going to come from the deepest part here. Can you see how warm that is? I'm going to do a lot of tipping out underneath and just come in with a little baby light, just so we break that up. And I have with me some cut in half 7-Eleven Reynolds foils. I like to put the bumpy textured side in. And we'll do a couple of these just so that when she pulls her hair up in ponytail, she gets a really pretty brightness around the nape. I'm also going to switch over to the full size of the 7-Eleven foils. I'm going to take this and just go ahead and tease the whole section. Stay with my Redken Flashlift 10 volume. Because there's such a small amount of hair in the foil, shimmy that right up under the root. See how nice and close that can get? So bumpy side in, just a little fold at the top. She has a few previous highlights here that we can kind of pull away so we don't overlap. Okay, so we're gonna do another one right behind that. So when these two sections, the front is meeting the back, you just want to make sure that there's hair left on both sides, that you're not creating a back-to-back. That would create a very chunky highlight right on the top of her head. So make sure that there's hair left in between top and bottom. So I do see a little bit of warmth now, 50 blonde, 50% brown, and I honestly am not even going to root shadow this. I want you guys to see the purest results from this technique. So I'm going to mix 10 GI and 10 P and just do an all over gloss. Give that a little head start, and then at the very end I can put it all over. It looks so good. All right guys, so we are done blow drying. You know why I love it, it's just so gradient. It's just a very sparkly, it's not the brightest, which is a really nice alternative to a root shadowed blonde. I do a lot of that, but this is just so nice because it's really bright up to the root, but it still has that dimension happening. Remember we had done a full highlight, but I did not touch up the root in the back. So she still has the depth in the center there, but we were able to really lighten these ends. You remember that they were like an 8 gold before. So now they're a lot lighter and we're able to make them cooler. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do try this technique, please tag us because I love seeing your guys' work, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.